October 22nd, 2016. It's the opening day of rifle season here in Georgia. Shooting light broke roughly 30 minutes ago, and already I've heard 6 shots within a half mile of me. A cold front moved in last night. I feel tempted to call the atmosphere chaotic, but I suppose chaos is more well suited for unpredictable things, like humans and political spectrums. The squirrels are behaving as expected. Occasionally, one will muster the bravery to venture down an oak trunk and skip across the forest floor like a flat stone thrown by a strong hand. I often ponder the minds of squirrels. I imagine whatever small piece of brain matter in us humans that causes our faces to dart upward uncontrollably as a low-flying plane passes. The squirrel mind must be made nearly entirely of such matter. Gone are the days of pterodactyl, but the red tail lives on. The sun is cresting, and my hands are beginning to go numb. Further thoughts will have to remain in the nest until the wind dies down.